Alright, so as you guys can see, I have another pair of Adidas Deerupt. These are supposed to be white, but they don't look white, do they? Like, pretty dirty. So, these are gonna be like my do stuff outside and work on cars and work shoes, blah blah blah. But I gotta at least make them presentable. So, what I'm gonna do is try to restore them, and you guys will see the process. I really do love these shoes, so they're super comfortable, like, and they actually look pretty good on wide feet. Like, well, these ones are super dirty, so you can barely even like see the definition and detail of the shoe, but hopefully when we're done, it'll look a lot better. Nah. So, throwing these on. The other pair. And I'm actually going to buy some white wax laces because that is definitely a fire look in contrast to the mesh. So, yeah. But for now, I'm going to, like, restore the laces on these as well. But yeah, I really love these shoes. They're just so comfortable. And with some better lighting, you guys can probably see the condition of the shoe. Oh, well, that could have been bad. Well, it's time to start the cleaning setup, so I have to start the water. Well, first I have to clean out this little bucket because there's dust in it, and then we'll start the cleaning process. Pardon the noise, I'm multitasking, but shoes are in the bucket. I'm gonna take the laces out, and then we're going to start with like the cleaning and prepping and stuff. So yeah. Now the laces are out, and you pre-soak the shoe. But actually, before you pre-soak the shoe, you set the cleaner thing. So it's this 40 whatever cream developer, and OxyClean, which is right there, and it's very messy in here because this is, yeah. But anyhow, an OxyClean and bleach, and then you use a toothbrush and rub it on the shoe. But you set it to sit first. You rub it on the shoe after you pre-wet the shoe. Alright, so it starts to foam up. I may end up needing a bigger container because it's foaming up a lot more than I remembered. So I'm probably going to switch it to this bigger container. It's a lot better lighting now that I brought down the light bar. But let's start the pre-soak. So, turn the water on. Wet the shoe. Oh, forgot to take the insole out of this one. The insoles are going to get washed as well, but not with this solution. So, yeah. Now, you use the bucket and get the solution on the shoe. Not all of it. And then you use the brush to brush it in. So I'll get back to you guys when I do this thoroughly. Alright, so now laces are in the bucket soaking, shoes are soaking, and then this water, like, you'll see what it's for after. You're just gonna like shake the shoe out afterwards and then hose it off and do all that. And then yeah, so after this is done, I'm gonna do the rest. I'm probably gonna let this sit for an hour. I'm gonna go outside and do whatever, and then, well, whatever I do outside will be in a separate video. It's gonna be car related most likely. But yeah, you just set this to soak for an hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, overnight, whatever. I'm only gonna do an hour because I don't really care too much for the shoes. Like, these are gonna be like some beaters to replace these. But yeah. Alright, so took the stuff out, and yeah, it's in the wash because I only left it in there for like 45 minutes because it's just like, I really don't care too much. But I guess we'll see what it looks like when it's done. So yeah, So they actually already look quite a bit better. Can't complain about that. For a nice quick little wash, that's not bad at all. So yeah. Okay, so already dropped them. But yeah, on camera they don't look like much has changed. Like, I'm trying to get a good view of it, but in person they are so much better. This is literally barely any work. Like, I really wish the camera was picking this up accurately because it looks really dirty on camera. But yeah, they're like a million times better. Like, this whole part right here was a completely different color and everything, but now they look pretty good.